Hey, what's going on? Welcome back again. So I got my black badges. I'm gonna go and replace them now. I'm gonna remove my chrome badges from my Audi and replace them, as I said, with the black ones, and they're gonna look really good, so stay tuned. Okay, I think all you need to have for this, to remove the badging, like the stickers, is like a rag, a fishing line, or any kind of line that you can like scrub under the badge and the alcohol, so we can clean up that glue.
You can tell the dust. Well, no way we would have done it with our finger.
Alright, now we're gonna change the one in the back. There's a light. So I have this heat gun. We're gonna get it hot, and then I'm gonna try peel them off. Okay, so this glue is really thick. We're gonna have to do it like with the nails, or maybe with like a plastic piece, plastic card or something, but it's gonna be a lot of work. I have to peel everything off and then just wipe it with alcohol.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative, I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I
So
got.
if you ask me, I think it's worth it. It was I called the Audi dealership and asked I wanted to get the original ones. I knew it's gonna be like a damn $1,000, but he said that they don't have black badges and the rings and stuff for the Audi for this model. So they said they only have chrome, so I had to go online, and the only place you can find them, it's eBay. And then I found them for like 150 bucks. They're all around like from 150 to 200. So bought them from eBay, got it in like 2 weeks. Now it's on the car and it looks amazing. So yep, that's it. Next is I'm gonna tint the windows, gonna get the windows dark, and then from there we'll see. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.